Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into one of the most exciting topics for bloggers, making money from your blog. Whether you're just starting out or have been blogging for a while, these methods can help you turn your passion into profit. I know, it sounds like a dream, right? But it's a dream that many have turned into reality. But trust me, it's totally possible, and I'm here to show you how. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve it too. So, let's jump right in with 3 proven strategies to unlock those blogging riches. These methods have been tried and tested by successful bloggers around the world. First up, selling digital products. Imagine creating something once and selling it over and over again. It's like having a digital goldmine at your fingertips. Digital products can be anything from ebooks, online courses, printables, templates, or even software. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor them to your niche. The beauty of this method is that it's scalable. As your audience grows, so do your sales. You create a valuable resource, market it to your audience, and watch the sales roll in. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income. Plus, digital products often have low overhead costs, which means more profit for you. You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Now, on to affiliate marketing. This is the art of earning a commission by promoting other people's products. It's a win-win situation for both you and the product owner. It's all about recommending products and services you genuinely love and believe in. Your enthusiasm will shine through and convince your readers. You place affiliate links in your blog posts, and when your readers make a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The key here is to be authentic and build trust with your audience. They need to feel confident that your recommendations are in their best interest. They need to know that your recommendations are genuine and not just for the sake of making a quick buck. Authenticity is crucial in affiliate marketing. Last but definitely not least, offering services. This could be anything from freelance writing, graphic design, social media management, coaching, consulting, and more. If you have a skill, there's likely a market for it. If you have a skill that others need, you can offer it as a service through your blog. It's a great way to monetize your expertise. This is a fantastic way to leverage your expertise and build a loyal client base. Your clients will appreciate the personal touch and dedication you bring. Plus, it adds a personal touch to your blogging business, making you more relatable and accessible to your audience. They will feel more connected to you. So, there you have it. 3 powerful methods to make money from your blog selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and offering services. Each method has its own unique advantages. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of passion. But the journey is worth it, and the rewards can be incredible. But with these strategies in your toolkit, you're well on your way to unlocking those blogging riches. Stay committed and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support means the world to me. Happy blogging. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep growing.